Welcome to Bobbins Connect Calcutta Enfield Tigers.
Opening scene. কেমন লাগছে?
অসাধারণ।
অসাধারণ।
ববএমসি কানেক্টে থাকার জন্য এনফিল্ড টাইগার্সের আমরা সবাই প্রচন্ড গর্বিত।
ये cheers to our team Enfield Tigers।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
फैंटास्टिक।
कैसा लग रहा है? ठंड कैसा लग रहा है?
ठंड भी काफ़ी है बट मैंने जैकेट हल्का सा
कोई बात नहीं, that's the feeling। किक।
थैंक यू।
কেমন লাগছে? কেমন লাগছে?
খুব ভালো, দারুণ লাগছে। নাইট শিফট করে এসে খুব ভালো লাগে।
ম্যাম
খুব ভালো লাগছে।
নাইস। কেমন লাগছে সকালবেলা?
খুব ঠান্ডা লাগছে, ঘুম পাচ্ছে।
ঘুম পাচ্ছে? খুব ঠান্ডা। যা।
My name is Karthik. I ride with a club called Royal Beast Delhi. And fortunate enough and lucky enough to be with Bob MC from the first day. And there's another name which people know me by. I'm in the riding community, I'm also known as Hell's Gift. Karthik, very few people know, but my actual riding name is Hell's Gift. And it's been stuck with me for I don't know how long now. Bob MC stands for Brotherhood of Bulleteers Motorcycle Consortium. Okay, it started about 23-24 years back when there was no club culture in India. There was no motorcycling culture in India. When we got on our bikes, people would say, "Why are you going on a bike?"
Brotherhood of Bulleteers Motorcycle Consortium. So where is Karthik? Please come forward. He is the president right now, OMC. Very nice to meet you. And welcome to our city of joy. So today's ride. Where you are from? I'm in Delhi. Delhi से। तो यहाँ से हम लोगों का राइड स्टार्ट होगा। टेक अ यू टर्न, स्ट्रेट लॉर्ड्स मोड़ से टेक अ राइट Jalpur Thana, then go straight Abhishekta, then take a right towards Pepsi Company.
And here's the last one. I think everybody will come in this. There we go. It's a video. There we go.
At the starting in India that we know of, for the Enfield clubs, there were 7 clubs in India. Okay, the oldest club that we know is from Aizawl, Mizoram, Aizawl Thunders. Now 23 years back, the Northeast was not very well connected, so we had very limited interaction with them. But in the mainland, there were 6 clubs which were there. Madras Bulls from Chennai, Rolling Thunders Motorcycling Club from Bangalore, there was Road Shakers Pune, there was Indie Thumpers Mumbai, Wanderers Hyderabad, and Royal Bees Delhi. There was no social media then. There was no WhatsApp then. But there was something called Yahoo groups. So whenever a club would go onto Yahoo groups and create its ID, that was the club's anniversary date. So depending on when you came on Yahoo groups, you had your club's anniversary date. That's how it started. Around 2002, at that point of time, I think all the clubs decided, why don't we meet? You know, we all know each other through Yahoo groups. Why don't we meet? And there was a gentleman who was also working, he was a rider, and also he was a marketing agency for Royal Enfield. So he came up and said, let's do an event where all the riders from the clubs can come and meet. So we named the event Rider Mania. The first Rider Mania happened in 2003 in Goa. 6 clubs rode down. There were 60 people in all at that event. All 60 of us, 6 clubs, some 5 clubs, some 2 from a club, 10 from a club, 20 from a club. There were 60 people who were the first Rider Mania in Goa in 2003. And we felt very nice about it. It was so nice to meet everybody. And we had a great time there. And we said, let's do this annually. So in 2004, again we were in Goa. And that was the time where the moderators, because Yahoo groups had a moderator there. So the club's admin was called a moderator. And in 2004, for the first time, we had a moderators meet. We call it the Mods Meet.
I'm Jhuma from Enfield Tigers, and thank you everyone for participating here, and thanks a lot, Bob Armstrong.
আমার নাম মনোজ কুমার সিং, আমি দুর্গাপুর থেকে এসেছি। আমি এনফিল্ড টাইগার্সের ক্লাবের মেম্বার। এই ফার্স্ট রাইড আমার এটা, বেশ ভালোই লাগছে। সকাল 7টায় স্টার্ট করেছি।
নাম আয়ুষ ঘোষ, আমি এনফিল্ড টাইগার্স থেকে এসেছি। আমার এখানে এসে খুব ভালোই লাগছে, এটা আমার ফার্স্ট টাইম। আর এখানে দিদির সাথে এসেছি, ইশিকা পল।
দারুণ লেগেছে রাইড, অসাধারণ, খুব ভালো রাইড। হ্যাঁ, ফ্রম ইনফিল্ড টাইগার্স, ঠিক আছে, খুব ভালো রাইড হয়েছে।
তোমার নাম?
আমার নাম গুম্বাদা,
কোথা থেকে এসছো?
জামশেদপুর থেকে এসেছি।
Hello, welcome back to Pillion Rider with Pillion Rider এর চ্যানেলে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আমাকে ইনভাইট করার জন্য। ঠিক আছে, আই এম সো ভেরি মাচ ব্লেসড অলসো টু দিস আমাদের যেটা বব এমসি কানেক্ট এখন যেটা হচ্ছে, খুব মজা লাগছে।